Hi, in this video we will see Java iteration statement do while. Okay, so before going to see do while, let us see in while loop how we um, use to print a value. For example, if I declare a variable int count equal to 0, I assign value 0. Now I use the condition count is okay, count is greater than 0. If count is greater than 0, I would like to print system.out.println. Then I print value of count. Okay, count value. Now next line I decrement the count. Okay. So let us run this code. See what this while loop does is in this we are checking the condition if count is greater than 0. So if it is true, if count is greater than 0, if it is true, then the system.out.println will be executed, that is count will be printed, then count value will be decremented. But in this case the count is 0, we assign 0 to count, so the first time itself the condition is false, so the line number 9 and line number 10 never get executed. See the output is. So after the while loop we have statement like system.out.println, and I simply print out of while loop. Okay. Now let us run this code and check this. Let us run this code. See the output now. See, out of while loop is printed. So first time itself the condition is false. So the statements inside the while loop never get executed. But if you want at least one time the statements should get executed even if the condition is false, we can use another loop called do while. See how we change this while loop into do while. Okay, so let us change this while loop into do while this way. Just to cut this part and here, then here you put do. See, in this case do something then while loop. So what we are doing here, at line number 12 we are checking the condition, but line number 7 to line number 11 get executed, so first time. So before checking the condition this statement get executed, so this will print the value of count, then count will be decremented, then the condition is evaluated, right? So first time count is 0, but since there is the condition is not verified before executing the statements, the do while loop, at least one time it get executed. See, let us see this, run this code and see the output. See, count is 0 out of while loop. So do while helps us to execute a set of statements at least one time even if the condition is false.